Okay, Smart Kit S280 here, Long Beach, California. The boat is ready to go to work, water, and then it's a little dirty. We're cleaning right now, installing the what? Okay, I'll be there. Installing the solar panel, engines installed, but the boat is ready to go to water. Miss Perfect. Miss Perfect. Yeah. Another Smart Cat going to water. Beautiful weather here, California, Long Beach, Los Angeles. Alright. So, Smart Cat S280, Miss Perfect is ready. So we are on Long Beach, California. The Smart Cat is ready to be delivered. Smart Cat S280. Beautiful boat. Mast, eyes glass need to be installed, but pretty much done. Looks nice, looks nice. Good job, guys. Good job.